Hello, and welcome to Sweet Success Magazine TV. My name is Alana, editor, founder, and a former cake business owner. Sweet Success Magazine is a digital media publication and platform that provides business education, tools, and resources for cake decorators and baking enthusiasts just like yourself. When I was learning how to decorate cakes and start my business, I found that there was very little information that related to me as a baker. And so that is how Sweet Success Magazine was born. We provide business help exclusively for bakers. So take a look around, and I hope you find something helpful. And definitely leave us a question or comment below. And we look forward to helping you grow and develop your baking business. Visit our website and make sure to like, comment, or subscribe. Here at Sweet Success Magazine, we believe that business education is critical to have a successful foundation for your cake or baking career.